What's up, my name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and in today's video, I'm going to show you something that may be considered simple, but may be a bit confusing for those who are new to Steam. So over here, I have Steam, and if I simply click my name and head across to Profile, you'll see that when it loads, I have an animated border around my image. Hovering over it shows me this little animated block with some text, which will also show when someone hovers over my picture in a friends list. And of course, I have my background over here, which could be animated, but currently it's a static image as it works well with my nice little animation over here. But of course, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get an animated background, animated profile border, as well as this little animated background on your little info block. Just be warned, you do need to spend money on Steam to earn points in order to actually buy these. If you have a free account and you haven't invested anything into buying games, then odds are you won't be able to get yourself an animated background or profile border. So first of all, simply open up your Steam client and head across to your profile page. Of course, you can do this in the actual Steam browser or in the web version. In the Steam browser, you can hover over your name and then click Profile. Then if you're signed in, simply click Edit Profile, and then we see this page over here. Simply locate the button that says Steam Point Shop, click that, and it'll be taken across to the Steam Points shop. In the top right, you'll see your points balance, and if you're curious with how it works, there's this little button over here that explains how points work. Spending money on Steam, buying games, DLC hardware, applications, soundtracks, and in-game items all get you points. Now that you understand how to get yourself points, let's go ahead and have a look at the animated things that we can buy. On the left-hand side, under Profile Items, Avatar will show us the animated avatars and animated borders over here. Currently, the only way to get an animated profile picture is to buy one of these over here in the animated avatars section. To get that blue border that I had, or another kind of animated border, you can find them over here. Note that only some of these are animated, while other ones here are static. Currently, these three are the only animated profile borders, though I'm sure more will be added over time. Then under Backgrounds, the first tab over here is Animated Profile Backgrounds, and these will be the big background to your actual profile. If you're curious what these will do, simply click on one and you'll get yourself a preview of what your page will look like. Your information and etc. will be here, and the background over here is the animated part that we're going to be purchasing if you wanted to buy this item. But as you can see, my balance is currently 1,700 and it says I need 275 more to get this item. Now instead of spending money, I'll simply show you how to do this with a cheaper item. Down here, if you can't afford to actually buy the item, you'll see how to get points. Clicking this will explain what we saw earlier. Of course, if you can't afford it, you'll see a Buy Now button. Then going back by clicking somewhere in the darkness over here or clicking Cancel, we'll scroll down and we have animated mini profile backgrounds. Clicking these, we get a preview of what it will look like. This one is my current mini profile background, and as you can see, this is what it'll look like. This will happen whenever someone hovers over your image on a Steam page or in a Steam friends list. As such, they'll get some info about your profile, what game you're playing, your profile image, name, etc. But the background over here is what we're mainly interested in. This is where the animation is. I'll click Close, and that's basically all of the animated things that you can get on Steam currently. If I scroll down a bit more and click on one of these cheaper items, you'll see the Buy button, which looks something like this. It shows the cost and says points. Upon clicking it, that button will be replaced with an Equip Now button. Simply clicking that will automatically place it on your profile and it'll become active. Though, assuming that it doesn't, you clicked past it, or you'd like to equip something else, simply head across to your profile, again in the Steam client, by hovering over your name and clicking Profile. Then click Edit Profile, and on the left-hand side over here we have the different sections that we were in. Avatar will let you change the animated border around your avatar, as well as an animated avatar if you have one. Scrolling down, you'll see your available avatar frames, the default one, and if you have purchased any, you'll see them here. Clicking them, and then clicking Save will update your profile. Profile Background is where we set our animated background if you have one. Otherwise, you'll see a list of profile backgrounds that you currently have in your inventory. Then, Mini Profile over here is the same but for the Mini Profile. So, assuming that you've bought one of these items, can we go ahead and trade it? Well, if I head across to my inventory and locating the item, you can see it's over here. Though, of course, it's not tradable and not marketable. What exactly does this mean? Well, you have to earn the points for yourself by spending money on Steam, and then once you've bought an item, you're not able to refund it, trade it, or sell it on. With that all in mind, it's super easy to use and understand. Of course, you can also equip them by finding them in your inventory and clicking Equip on Edit Profile page, which will take you over here where you can continue to actually equipping it as such. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you found it somewhat useful. My name's been TechNobo here for TroubleChute, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.